Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
Jai Guruji, everyone. Shukrana Guruji for giving me this opportunity again, and of course, Rashmi Auntie for choosing me again for this honor and a wonderful blessing. Before I go into the details of my satsang, I want to share something related to WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. So this was very early on, when I got connected to Guruji and I had started coming into Mandir. But I never used to follow anything related to Guruji, Bada Mandir, or even Somerset Guruji Ka Ashram page on Insta or wherever. And we were in the process of moving to a new house, and suddenly while scrolling, Guruji's picture comes up on my phone, and with the message, "Kudiye nave ghar jaake satsang zarur karana hai." And I was like, how does he know that I'm moving to a new house? Because I had not spoken to anybody here, and he reads your mind. You don't need affirmation from anybody else but him. So yeah, that was one thing related to what you had mentioned. So going back, I got connected at a time when, like most of us, things weren't going too well in my life, or people that I'm very closely associated to. Things weren't too well. Just to cut it short, from losing my father to losing our house to losing my job, all within a span of 4 months. And it came to a point where, dying seemed easier option out. I was ready to leave my, 2-year, 3-year-old behind. But he pulled me out of that mess. And how? I came to the mandir, came to this darbar on 31st of May for the very first time. That's Guruji's Samadhi Divas. And post that, things just changed so quickly that I still, I can't believe how it happened. It was so miraculous. Within span of 3 to 4 months, everything came back to normal, and we were feeling happier again. We were feeling ourselves again. And how I got connected is also very miraculous because thanks to her, we had not met them for maybe 10 years, and when we met them, they had satsang at their home and they insisted that we come. So what I want to say is Guruji has a way of connecting you to this darbar, to him. He pulls you in. So अगर आप यहाँ पे आज बैठे हैं, so I guess there is a reason behind it, because he wants you to be here. He wants you to be connected. He wants you to have that blessing or a peaceful life. So each one of us should be thankful that we are here and we are able to come to this darbar and enjoy the blissful satsangs every week. So yeah, when I got connected, things started changing miraculously. एक के बाद एक चीज़ें जगह पे आती रही, and I had no explanation whatsoever. And the way it happened was he also showed us the true colors of the people who were pretending to help us throughout this mess. So कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता था कि शायद हो रहा है, चीज़ें ठीक हो रही हैं कि नहीं हो रही हैं, but जब वो चीज़ें ठीक होती थी और उसके पीछे का रीज़न समझ आता था ना कि डिले क्यों हुआ, कि मुझे इस बंदे के बारे में ये जानना था, तो आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट थैंकफुल टू हिम कि सिर्फ उस मेस से निकालना वो तो इम्पॉर्टेंट था ही, बट उसके साथ साथ people who we were trusting blindly, it was more important for him to show us their true colors as well, so we don't commit that mistake again. So Shukrana Guruji for everything. I have been lucky enough to go back, after I got connected, I've been back to India twice, and on both my trips I have been lucky enough to go to Bada Mandir. So again, Shukrana Guruji for that. And this Shivratri I was in India, and despite being in India, I was not able to go to any mandir. Although I live 5 minutes, in India, like you have mandir at every corner, nook and corner. But I couldn't go to mandir because my daughter was extremely sick. She was not able to keep anything in her stomach, even water. So she was throwing up whatever we were giving her. So that was Shivratri day. And in my mind, I kept thinking, oh, tomorrow I'm going to Delhi. I'm going to go to Bar Mandir. So, it's okay if I'm not able to go to any mandir today. So in my heart, I was just, consoling myself. So we were finishing off last minute chores the day after Shivratri. And, actually on the day of Shivratri. So last minute chores, we were trying to finish and we were crossing a mandir. I see a line there, everybody was trying to, वो जल चढ़ा रहे थे शिवलिंग पे, and my daughter was in my arms because she was extremely, like low down because she hadn't eaten anything. She wasn't even able to drink water. And she had just thrown up in the car 5 minutes before that. So I asked her casually, do you want to go inside? And she said no. I was like, okay, and she was in such a situation, I didn't even want to force her. And then while I was moving away from the mandir, this uncle comes out and says, बेटा प्रसाद ले लो. वो 2 बेर का प्रसाद मिला. मैंने इससे पूछा, Heer, do you want to eat it? She said yes. To my surprise, because she was not eating anything. To my surprise, she said yes. And after having that beer, she didn't throw up. So, and I was jokingly talking to Arun and I said, देख इसमें कुछ होगा, तू देखना इसमें कुछ है, because it's your faith, right? It's your faith in him. And it's like, नहीं, अब ये बेर का प्रसाद मिला, अब ये ठीक हो जाएगी. And luckily, to my surprise, she didn't throw up after that. So again, Shukrana Guruji. So he has his own ways of blessing us. मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ, मैं लोगों का सुनती हूँ कि रोटी पे ओम बना आता है, या दरबार में बैठते हैं उनको खुशबू आती है. मैंने कहा यार मेरे साथ तो कभी नहीं होता, ये क्यों नहीं होता? तो क्वेश्चन भी करती हूँ. But then, he has, each one of us is being blessed in a different manner, and we should be thankful for what we have. And how we are getting it. So we have to identify the means and, just have a way of relating things back to him. So for me, getting that beer and my daughter feeling all right was again his blessing somehow. So again, thankful for that. And like I said, it's, although my journey started on like very miraculous note, जहाँ पे उन्होंने मेरे को गुरुजी ने मतलब मेरे डैड के दर्शन दिए, गुरुजी खुद दर्शन दे दिए और उसके साथ साथ उन्होंने मेरे को मेरे डैड दिखाए. तो मुझे याद है, आई कॉल्ड अश्विनी अंकल एंड आई सेड, मुझे नहीं पता ये क्या हुआ है और क्यों हुआ है. तो उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी. उन्होंने बोला कि गुरुजी ना सबसे पहले तेरे को तेरी प्रॉब्लम्स धीरे धीरे ख़त्म करेंगे, अब तू देखना, बट सबसे पहले उससे शुरू करेंगे जो तेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा बॉदर कर रहा था. तो शायद my dad's loss was bothering me a bit too much, which was giving me a lot of stress. So he started off with that. So मेरे लिए उनको मेरे डैड को दिखाना मेरे लिए ये मीन कर रहा था कि he is in good hands and he is taking care of him personally. So I should stop worrying about, what happened with him and how it happened with him. And along the, past little over 1.5 years, I have learned one thing, you have to be thankful for everything that you have. And there is always a reason behind what happens. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा blame करती थी, मेरा faith भगवान में shatter हो चुका था कि कुछ exist नहीं करता है. But then when I got connected to him, I figured, you shouldn't let go of your faith. You shouldn't, you should just continue to believe in the supreme power which he is. So, just continue to do that. And again, मेरे dad की story पे मैं आ जाती हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि why it happened so suddenly with him. तो उसका भी आंसर यहाँ आके मिलना शुरू हुआ धीरे धीरे, because he was so close to him कि शायद उनको वो सफ़र नहीं करवाना चाहते थे. He had cancer, and within 15 days of us finding out, he was taken away from us. तो उसका रीज़न अब ये समझ में आता है कि शायद उनके लिए यही अच्छा था कि मैं उनको शायद अगर वो उस कंडीशन में देखती और उनको सफ़र करता देखती तो वो और ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता. तो अगेन, these are the answers that I have got. since the time I've started coming here. So it's very amazing to come and sit here. Enjoy the satsang. Bani से बहुत सारे answers मिलते हैं, गुरबानी से बहुत सारे answers मिलते हैं, and I'm again I'm very thankful to everybody. I have met a lot of beautiful people here who who've been very supportive in the last 1.5 years, and my journey has been nothing short of amazing. So thank you everyone. Thanks all. Yeah, शुक्राना गुरुजी. और अगर कोई भूल चूक हो गई हो, किसी को कुछ